I've been working on the Thunder cooter here. Changed the oil in it since the first time since I got it. Hoping this brings that back to oil pressure a little bit. She seemed to be a little low on oil pressure. So hopefully, yeah. So fresh oil. I got to change the filter yet. I want to change the oil again too. So hopefully this kind of flushes it out. Then worked on my ignition switch here. Hook that bad girl up here and so I got the toggle switches from the T-Bird in the car. So turns on everything, and one of my headlights is now working, including half the dash. Then I got to get it on like a rocker, not a rocker switch, like a return switch, because if you click on this, it stays engaged. No oil pressure. Well, it's got to have some because it ain't knocking. Oh, what's up with that? So it might be... I mean, she'd be clattering if there was no oil pressure. Well, she does seem to be having a slight miss. And the firm ride is stuck on. Well, that is kind of lame. I mean, if there was no oil pressure, we'd know she'd be knocking like an angry drunk person. So, I don't know, maybe the fresh oil screwed up the sensor. Maybe, I don't know. Still no oil pressure, so I don't know what's up with that. So that's something I gotta look into, I guess. But, yeah, turn that off. Turn that off. Bam. So, yeah. Now I gotta clean her out really good, vacuum it out. So, probably pull the seats out, carpet scrub it really good. Get the carpet scrubber in there, pull the door panels off, vacuum out inside the doors. Still gotta find a way to get into the airbox, because inside there, still a pretty good mouse nest. So, yeah, getting somewhere with her. Figured I'd do a better shot of how the ignition switch was. This is how they had it. So to start it, you had to like slide it while like trying to move the hose clamp. Is a two-hand operation. And if it was a little crooked, not all the contacts in there would make good contact. So kind of see how that switches. We'll pull her apart now because I don't care, but all those different contacts got to make certain contacts with all that, and if it's a little off, it wouldn't start. But unfortunately, the toggle switches quite don't fit where I want to put them. Because I kind of want to put them in this tray, but they're a tad bit small and they fall in. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet. But this is better than that setup, so. Oh yeah.